I want the tough dog.
This is a game of this or that with This or That Sports TV and our Reggae Boys. Yes, our namesake. I hope you enjoy.
Why wouldn't you want to score a winning goal and get 3 points to your team?
Make more sense every time. Alright, so they are with Demarai. Give me have to introduce them, man. But quick this or that question. You prefer score a goal, game winning goal, or make a goal line clearance as an attacker?
Score a goal.
Prefer score the goal. Why?
That's a tough question, you know. Nah, I'll clear it off the line. Because if you get 1 point, I'll line. Score the winning goal.
So there with Demarai Phillips. Quick this or that question. You prefer make a line splitting assist to score a goal, right? Or a last gas tackle to save the team and make them win the game?
Prefer make the assist.
Prefer a line splitting assist?
Yeah.
Alright, here with Mr. Kemir Hallgrimson. Did I pronounce it right? Did I butcher it? Good enough?
Yeah.
Alright, this or that. Would you prefer to win the Gold Cup or qualify for the World Cup?
Qualify for the World Cup.
Easy question.
And I win the World Cup then.
I win the World Cup when you qualify for it.
First qualify for the World Cup and then win the World Cup.
Alright. So there with Javi and Brown. Let's see what I go on. Quick this or that. Prefer to get a goal line clearance to save 3 points or a game winning header?
Goal line.
Goal line clearance?
Yeah, because he's a defender.
Here we go, people. So this is it not always straight line. Everybody now pick goal. Alright, so we're there with Bobby Reed. Let's see what I go on. Quick this or that. Prefer to score a game winning goal or a goal line clearance that save you and make you get the win. Which one?
A goal winning goal, no? Or game winning goal?
Game winning goal or game winning goal line clearance?
Game winning goal.
You prefer the goal. Quick reason.
Yeah. Attacker, you just want to score. I like, you know. That's it.
Alright, thank you, Bobby.
Attacker want to score.
Alright. Which one you prefer as a right? Game winning assist or goal line clearance? Game winning assist. There we go.
I don't want to run for JFF president or coach the team. Goal or
So Damian Lowe. This or that. Which one you prefer? Diving header or goal line clearance?
goal line clearance. Because it probably win the game because I get paid for score goal. I get paid for stop goals. Yeah, I understand. So I start goal upon me, save goal off the line. But every coach right nowadays want a goal scoring centre back, which may have that in high caliber. So if I just do the simple thing, which is save goals, I think I would enjoy it more.
So goal line clearance. Damian Lowe. What there we? Romario. Rum. Quick this or that. Which game? A goal to win the game or a goal line clearance?
Goal to win the game.
Goal to win the game. Why?
He's a striker.
You get paid to score goals.
That is it.
There we go. Awesome. So there with Leon Chippy Baller Bailey. Which one you prefer? Score the game-winning goal or make a goal line clearance to save a point?
Winning goal.
Game-winning goal.
Yeah.
Quick reason why?
Because to save a point is not good. I think winning a game is better than getting 1 point. Yeah, but it wouldn't make sense to play a game for win. If you as a defender, even the goalkeeper, if the goalkeeper can score a winning goal, why wouldn't you want to score a winning goal and get 3 points to your team?
Make more sense every time. Respect.
I want the tough dog.